How to get verified on X, a complete guide. On platforms like X, first impressions are everything. You only have a few seconds to convince users that you're the real deal. If your aim is fame or simply making money on Twitter, sending the right message at first glance is crucial. The shiny blue tick next to your username signifies that you are authentic, trustworthy, and worth checking out. The importance of verification. Recent estimates suggest that as few as 0.2% of Twitter accounts are verified. This makes the blue tick a mark of distinction that signifies credibility. Being verified can translate to more exposure, higher engagement, and improved overall impressions. It's a rare status, but one that is definitely worth getting. Evolution of Twitter verification. Verification on Twitter began in 2009 and was initially exclusive to high-profile accounts, such as celebrities, athletes, and politicians. It served as a way to show the world that those accounts were the real individuals behind them, not impersonators or parodies. In 2016, Twitter updated its policy, allowing anyone to apply for verification if they met specific criteria. However, the landscape changed significantly again after Elon Musk's takeover, which introduced a new verification system. This revised policy allowed anyone to pay for verification, and many of the legacy verification badges were withdrawn. Eligibility criteria for X verification. If you're new to Twitter, you'll need to wait 30 days before you can apply for verification. Once the waiting period is complete, you'll have a good chance of getting that coveted blue tick mark if you meet the following criteria. X Premium subscription. An active subscription to X Premium is mandatory. Complete profile. Your profile must include a photo and display name. Must be active. Accounts must be active within the last 30 days. Security. Your account needs a confirmed phone number. Non-deceptive. Ensure there are no recent profile changes, misleading information, or spamming. These criteria have been in place since April 1, 2023, when X shifted away from its previous requirements of being active, notable, and authentic. While there's no official word on the verification process duration, Elon Musk stated in a post on X that it's typically around 7 days. How to get verified on X, the step-by-step guide. To get verified on X, your primary requirement is to subscribe to X Premium, which can be done via the mobile app or the desktop version. The guidance encourages users to consider the desktop option, as it may sometimes be less expensive. Once you have your subscription, ensure that your account meets the criteria listed above. Check that your profile is complete and remain active in the community. After applying, be patient as the verification process unfolds. Conclusion. Getting verified on X isn't just about the blue tick. It's about standing out as an authentic, credible voice in a crowded space. Meeting the eligibility criteria and following the new verification steps can help you achieve that highly sought-after verification status. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.